What's up, Average Dad fans? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to talk about a hot topic: installing Wear OS on your Chinese ROM device, from your Google Watch to your Samsung Galaxy Watch and everything Wear OS in between. Let's talk. So, for those that don't know, my channel started a few years ago, and the biggest blow up on my channel still to date was when I filmed content on the Tag Heuer connected smartwatch. Yes, my channel started reviewing with iPhone cases, iPhones, and then I moved to a luxury smartwatch. During the pandemic, I had spare cash and decided to waste it on a £1,500 smartwatch. Not the best financial decision I've ever made. However, on the back of that, I also started buying Chinese ROM devices. And a question that kept coming up was, how do I connect Wear OS to my Chinese ROM device? So, I made a tutorial. I showed you how to do it using simple Wear OS app downloaded from the Play Store and the Wear OS app downloaded from then, I believe it was the Xiaomi store, because it was my Mi 11 Ultra. I was able to sync them up and use my Tag Heuer connected with the Mi 11 Ultra. Now, since that point, I've had dozens, countless Chinese ROM devices, and as the months have gone on, it has become increasingly impossible to connect watches. Now, when we're talking about the Pixel, this makes sense. Google bought Fitbit. Wear OS on the Pixel Watch 2 is actually using Fitbit software and security firmware in the background. Hence why they're trying to lock it down to basically Pixel-only devices, or at best, limited functionality on global ROM devices. The same can be said for Samsung. While Samsung has always been a bit tricky, you would have to go through the Samsung Wearables app. If that didn't work, download the Samsung Health app, connect your smartwatch that way to your Chinese ROM. There were workarounds that were hit or miss, 50-50. But today, after trying to connect my Wear OS TicWatch Pro to the OPPO Find N3 and my Honor Magic V2 with Google Mobile Services through the application link, it doesn't work. This is a video to answer all of the questions regarding smartwatches. To play it safe, if you are in the market for a foldable device and you're looking to import from China, please do not have Android Auto or smartwatch connectivity at the top of your list. If they are at the top of your list, right now, my only recommendation would be to buy a Xiaomi watch if you have a Xiaomi phone, an Honor watch if you've got an Honor phone, and so on and so forth. Yes, I'm aware those watches aren't the best when compared to what's on the market, but if you're needing to use it, that's the only way around it. I personally still use an iPhone 15 Pro Max and my Apple Watch Ultra, and when I had the OnePlus open, I used the TicWatch Pro, but now that it won't connect to the OPPO Find N3 or the Honor Magic V2, I guess my Wear OS watch will sit in a drawer, because I will not sacrifice using a Chinese foldable device. I'll get by without, the smartwatch connectivity. I know this video is a bit different. I know you're probably hoping that I would have the answers. I generally do, but on this occasion, sadly, the answer is not what I or you were looking for. Unless any of you watching, any of you that have subscribed, or if you're in the member group, please let me know if you have managed to connect a Wear OS watch, not the Xiaomi or the Honor, like that are owned by the company, but a non-branded if you like, watch. So a Wear OS watch like the TicWatch or others, if you've managed to connect it to your Chinese ROM device, hit me up in the comments and then we can chat further. If I figure out how to do it, either through the comments or through chat or however, whenever I figure out how to do it, I will post a video, rest assured. But that video I posted a couple of years ago, as I say, I promise it was working, obviously no longer rings true. So, hopefully you enjoyed the content. Subscribe if you want to see more educational, informational stuff all about Chinese ROM devices. And for those wondering, I am actually using the Honor Magic V2 with Google Mobile Services as my daily driver. Until next time,